Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Yeah, Uncle Al's really mad. It's Saturday, June 1st, kids, and Uncle Al's pissed as you know what. Excuse me, boys and girls. My name's Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Friday was my cheat day after I went to see the doctor. Excuse me. Uncle Al has a little bit of lung trouble. Right now it's about 2:30 in the morning on June 1st. I'm trying to sleep. I just finished putting an ice pack on my face and my forehead. Really fun, kids. My doctor says I have to get off the vegan diet. Thank you all you persons who are pushing small planetary diet and other things. I gained 25 pounds and my blood work is a mess. I have to take another series of blood samples in June. I want to kill, I don't want to say that, boys and girls, it sounds really bad, but Uncle Alan went from 198 pounds and I gained 25 pounds. All the work I put in is totally messed up. Now Uncle Alan's going back to his old Buddhist monk, 1,200 calories a day, and I will get back into shape. Uncle Alan is very mad. That means no snacks, no fast food for next 60 days. If you want to see somebody go crazy, please watch my channel because I'm quitting my pain meds because a lot of people says opioids are bad for you. My doctor says these opioids are good for me because he doesn't want another hole in his wall of me punching in. Okay, I still got a little bit of scar tissue, but Uncle Alan lost 40% of strength. I'm still that strong. I'm going to get my weights back and I'm going to rebuild doing combat katanas. KATA. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty damn scary. I have to build up muscle. I'm used to pain. Fine. You want muscle? I'll give you muscle. Uncle Alan didn't care for status. Uncle Alan didn't care for money. Uncle Alan didn't care about your idiot Southern California lifestyle. Uncle Alan's a quiet farmer boy from the foothills of California. Now, in the old days, I used to break both my thumbs and ruined my fingers. Fine. You want, instead of a mild-mannered, quiet person, you want a beefed-up thug. Fine. Uncle Alan can play that game. Now, the second part of this, we're going to go over, boys and girls, with Uncle Alan's favorite toys. Now, before I go any further, my receipt for Carl's Jr. eating a vegan burger, which is a garden patty. Only thing wasn't vegan, was the fake, let's see, I didn't have the bread. I had the lettuce wrap, garden patty, which is vegan. There's hardly no meat in what I ate. I had onion rings, which were fried in canola oil. I had fake vegan cheese, and I had 2 slices of fake bacon, which it was not any animal product, but a lentil-based bacon. I really hated it. I had 2 of them. It shot up my blood sugars to 300 each, and I had to balance it out with 2 shots of insulin, one at mealtime and a blood stabilizer one for bedtime. Now my gut's on fire and I feel like crap. So I'm going back to my plain boring diet of oatmeal, peanut butter, coffee, no food. You want to see combat exercise? Only ones that I know that still do this are Marines. Uncle Alan's used to be an office person, a tech sergeant. Biggest thing I ever did was work at the typewriter, going blind and doing paperwork in triplicate. Now Uncle Alan's mad as hell. I can't really use the computer that often because I pound the keys out of the board or have technical issues. Now I'm going to try to hook up with Will on June 10th. I don't have a cardboard sign because I'm not ready. Let me go find it. My friend Will Russell of Just in Time Prepping. Now this plays hob with my glaucoma. This one I could buy over the counter. It doesn't cost me arm and leg. Then going through the medical program. These two, unfortunately, cost me $75 each. And the needles are for pen injectors instead of the old hypodermics. I have a bloody lesion on my gut. Uncle Alan is pissed as hell. First time I have a gut, I'm bloated and I have bitch tits. Uncle Alan is not pleased. Uncle Alan is mad as hell. First time I went to yoga in over a month, they were shocked how bad out of shape I got. I told them I was eating a vegan diet instead of my usual conservative, boring, meat-based diet. They said I should get off of it before it kills me, and I tend to agree with them. Now, I have to go back, work 6 times harder to remove the 25 pounds gained, and my therapist, physical, said if I do that, I'll shorten my lifespan. Well, if I go the following route with the veganism, I'm going to die from diabetes or a heart attack. I am mad as hell. I don't want to be like Jim Fix, some idiot white person running around dying from a triple bypass. So, next 60 days, then my favorite fast foods. I gotta lose weight. I am back to a very strict diet with some meat, lots of vegetables, and the right kind of animal fat because they said I can't take any more vitamin B12 or iron tablets. This is why I'm the really palest Japanese person you have ever seen. On the other hand, I can't take steroid shots because it's temporary and makes me look like a damn Wookiee. Already I shaved 4 times today. If I didn't, I would have a light growth of beard like Steve or Westwind. I am Japanese. I'm not old school Japanese or the people that came over, that explains the blondes in my family, over Siberia to Japan. I'm not untouchable. I am Japanese. I am 3rd class. I am mean as hell. Last of my kind. I will get back into shape. It's going to hurt like hell. But you guys who care about stats, flat gut, 6-pack, fine. But all that work will go down the drain as time keeps ticking. I'm not a sex symbol. I'm not your protector. I'm not your piggy bank. I'm not your sugar daddy. I'm pissed as hell. I'm Uncle Al, and I'm trying to figure out how to make $5,000 again per day. It's a little hard when your brain is full of holes and you're trying to fit bits and pieces of your past. So I'll catch you later, kids. I'm Uncle Al. And I'm Dino, Uncle Al's favorite dinosaur companion. And he's pissed, folks. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. This is, whatchamacallit, Wake Up Call. That's what I'm going to title this blog, Wake Up Call, because Uncle Alan's really upset. Next video is going to be Uncle Alan's favorite toys. Now, a lot of you people don't know that Uncle Alan was a very mean and, you might say, cuddly teddy bear, but also Uncle Alan knew how to use certain things. So we're going to check that out in the next video. I'll catch you later, kids. You have a nice day. Please make sure you check out my friend West Wind Survival. And make sure you check out these other fine people. If I ever get the piece of cardboard out. I always love it when I lose that piece of cardboard. These channels right here. He did a good job on that one video on the subjects we're going to talk about. Prep for it. Very good. I've seen it again. Palmetto Prepared. Let's talk about prepping. I may do a garden video after the toy one. And Cheryl Hirsch DUI Fun. Now, if anybody can help Cheryl, if you live in the Indiana area and you have a good sewing machine, please loan it to Cheryl. Cheryl, if you listen to me, please get a PayPal account. Thank you. And then we have Little Prepper Lady. She's going back to school, which is good. And then we have prepping in progress, which is really good. And magnify the imagination. I really like Reed and his channel. Welcome, Brother Mad Scientist, because this is Uncle Al. I'll catch you later, kids. You have a nice evening. Bye.